looks like.
Me and Droopy used to watch this when we were little.
Is this
you had Poe, right, the red one, and I think I had Tinky Winky.
Did they redo this?
Yeah, it's on Netflix.
Wow.
Teletubby!
Their eyes look like their cameras.
I think this is the second time that I put it on for him. The first time he was loving it.
Yay! Look at the bunnies.
What are they anyway?
Demons.
Oh, here comes a shower head. Yeah, it looks a lot more vivid than what we grew up with. I want to see Nunu, and I want to see them make the pancakes.
Is Nunu the little...
Tubby custard.
Is Nunu the one that sucks...
Yeah, the vacuum that sucks up everything.
Oh, I wanted to eat that stuff so
Where's
bad.
Tubby custard?
The first time I tried strawberry yogurt, I thought it was that, and it was not.
What in the world?
It was not what I expected. Oh, there's babies.
This is different.
They have children? I thought they were babies.
What is that? Go get my mom. Get her. Go get her.
That's not fair. You're cheating.
Get her, get her. Whoopsie.
Cinder, where are you?
This was the
Get her, get her. Go get her.
waking up shirt. It's the comfort shirt right now.
It's like you're happy. He runs. Run! She's coming. Here we go. Where you going? These boys. What do we got out here?
I don't know, but I could probably get you to give me a hand here for a second.
Yep. What do you need?
I need to pour eggs on here, but they keep running away, so I need you to kind of counter deflect.
Okay.
So a little bit.
So blockage?
Yeah, basically, yeah. She wants to take off, so that's why.
Stay. Stay away.
Otherwise, how quick it was going to be to cook eggs. I know.
I know.
Oh, you know that one?
Right there.
Yep.
Right there.
Yep, a doodle. Cute. Okay, Kiki just got back from her little breakfast and morning date with Aunt Corey. And now she wants to add some water to these little clammy guys that she collected at the ocean. But I don't know if they're going to move around or not. We'll see, okay?
Okay, Mommy. Actually, the water, so the waves, they whooshed.
Oh, the waves whooshed?
And then the ocean were moving.
Okay, we gotta add some water to these guys.
I love her ponytail like that.
We gotta
It is
move
so
quick.
pretty.
It's kind of hot. Whew. Okay. Joe, do you have anything to help scoop and put some water in here?
I do.
We need to see if these little guys will move, but
What is this?
we think that they might be goners. They're from the ocean. They're the little tiny things that burrow in the sand.
Oh my gosh, the clams, they will be. You can't bring them back, and they're gonna stink.
Well,
How long have they been missing? Carson, oh my gosh.
oh,
Kickers, say cheese.
they're cute.
Ooh, one's
Oh,
moving.
they are moving.
Some of them are moving. I think the others are dead.
They're like,
Joe, don't move.
Joe, they're like,
I want to get a portrait one. Okay, say cheese again. 1, 2, 3,
Cheese. Let me see, babe.
Hopefully.
Let's fill it up a little bit
Hopefully
more.
they're like rejuvenated. They're like, ugh. Take a deep breath.
There you go.
okay, be careful.
Stick my tongue out. Salt! Oh my gosh. Mom!
Yeah, it's just a bit fishy.
Mom's dead.
That's terrible.
We weren't gonna live.
They look like little snail
They're
eyes.
probably trying to like dig,
Yeah, they are trying to dig, Mom.
put some sand in it.
Yeah, there's quite a few that are still alive. Wow. And Corey's like, I think they're goners. We would have trashed them. What's going on over here? Nothing. You were so quick to answer.
He was just telling me about how he had chocolate chip pancakes, but he didn't put any syrup on it.
Oh, man.
And I had
asked him why
chocolate
not. He
milk.
says, I don't know, I didn't think of it.
And I had chocolate milk.
Now I'm gonna take him back so he can drink the syrup. 'cause
Okay.
He didn't get any.
Lots of chocolate, huh?
Yeah.
So you got a lot of energy to swim out, huh?
Yeah.
It's cold water.
It's a little chilly, but
It's a chili butt.
cool. Yeah,
It's a chili butt.
I got a chilly butt.
And how was your morning, sir?
It was pretty good.
Pretty good?
I went and got my feet wet and it really felt good. So I'm going to take care and go.
Good.
I'm going to take a nap later.
Yeah, that's good. That sounds good.
It's so good to be by the water. I love water. Arizona, Dawn, all the water went away.
All the water came here.
No?
So as you guys saw, Cadence has those little coquina clams. Coquina clams? Coquina? Anyways, told her they needed salt water. Where'd she go? Where'd Kiki go? Kiki! Come here! I got salt! I told her that her clams like salt water because of the ocean water, and now she thinks that they need actual salt. She will not let go of the subject. So I have salt, and we're just gonna put a tiny bit of salt just so she'll stop talking about it. They were alive, as you guys saw, and I think they're dead now. Pretty sure. Okay, I got salt. Are you ready?
And we have to mix it all up.
Okay, you mix it now. There you go. Okay.
Pretty soon you'll be making cakes.
Yeah. All right, there you go. I'm gonna go put the salt away now, okay? Can you throw it up here? Woo! We've got some more ocean
What they
life.
call it.
What?
I forget what they call that. The stuff, like the stuff that grows on here.
It's like a moss, right? Sea anemone. What is that? I only know the name, but I don't know what it is.
It's got little, I don't know what they are. See that?
Like the clumps?
Yeah. I don't know what they are.
Yeah, there's something that's coming out of them.
Yeah. They're clumpers.
We'll just name it ourselves.
I don't know what they're called. Hey, it's okay.
Come see. This little one.
Huh? Huh.
Is it a little crawfish, maybe?
I don't know. Okay.
Too small to see?
Like, oh.
Oh, there he goes.
Oh, it bit me.
That's what came out of here.
I don't know. Yeah?
There's little ones that are coming out, yeah.
What the heck they are? What they are?
So it's like a nest.
Huh.
Oh, nothing. Oh, I wonder if Daryl emptied it out. Was that the one you said that had 3?
Yeah, it was one up there.
Oh, okay.
There they are, okay.
Oh, nice.
The big one. Talk to you guys later.
Yeah, eat you later. Baby is still napping, so we're just gonna chill out on the dock for now, and I think Andrew went to go get fishing rods because I want to try to just sit and, I don't know, sort of try to fish. I don't fish.
Pickled clam.
He's got a baby on the top of the cage.
Where's the female? Female.
And the big, what is the big one? Looks like a male. The big one's a male. We got a keeper.
We got bait.
What is this?
Clams. Mm-hmm. He said
I'm
you
gonna
hook.
need you to do that for me though. I don't think I can. I don't think I can stomach that. Touching it. He's got a keeper.
By the boat.
How do you get the keepers to the bucket?
How do you get the keepers? You let him grab onto your nipple. Andrew's baiting the hook for me because I can't do the slimies.
It's not a worm, it's just clam.
But it's slimy. Are you ready?
No, I'm not fishing.
You're not gonna catch a fish?
No.
I wonder where this best place to,
hers got some on it already.
Huh?
Hers has some on it already.
I wonder where I should cast.
I'm thinking maybe off of the things.
Off the dock?
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm doing. Can't be that hard. How hard can it be? Let's just hope I don't catch a pop. What? Sorry.
Where did you go? You went all the way over there?
Yeah, it's really windy.
Are you trying to get me?
The wind is going to carry it. Hey, buddy. What are you doing?
Lena. It's going farther with the wind and the bait on it.
I don't like these things because they come back around.
Can you turn off my camera? It's filming the back of your cats.
Cankles. This is what
What do
happens
we
when
got?
this is when you come to right. Humidity is a big part of it for some reason. This is getting me.
Cankles, what do we got? Cankles are better for a squat. Ah, I caught something.
Oh.
A stickfish.
Did you eat all your dinner?
I did. It was the best dinner I've ever had. Thank you so much. You can't stand the process of waiting?
Yeah.
That's what fishing is all about, being patient though. I like it. I like the waiting, and she doesn't like the waiting, but she wants to be hooked.
No, I don't.
Somebody woke up. Time to play in the water. What are you doing? Splash, splash.
Just do a 1, 2, 3, jump. And I'll catch you in my hands and I'll put you back on the steps. You're cool. Oh!
Why? After a while, crocodile.
Oh, he's going to get saved.
Oh no. I got the fishy baby. I want to get off this.
She's like, what are you doing?
What are you doing, Lizzie? He's like, is this guy okay? He needs rescuing.
Yeah. Where'd he go? Oh no!
Yeah, that's the kids were wrestling.
Mommy,
What, babe?
did you go swimming yet?
No, not yet.
You can't go swimming.
Hey!
Now what?
That's no fair because it's actually
Au revoir! Dang it!
We just gotta be going the other way.
everybody go out there.
Ah, he just lays back. See ya! Oh, hi. Yeah, who needs saving? Who needs saving? Joey needs saving. Who first? So many to save. Who wants first?